The Wooden Railway Originals of Thomas and Friends, Episode 140. The World's Mightiest Engine. The engines on the Island of Solar like working hard. It makes them feel really useful. They work hard to complete their jobs on time. They don't like confusion and delay. But the silly cars delight in mischief. And their mischief causes trouble. As poor Murdoch found out. So Topham Hatt came to Tidmouth Sheds to tell the other engines the news. Murdoch has had an accident and is being sent for repairs, he said. There are no other engines available, so I had to give another diesel who has been here a long time ago. The engines were anxious. His number is 40125. But the engines didn't really like Old Stuck-Up. A long time ago, he crashed into a shed after he was being very disrespectful to the steam engines. And ever since he crashed into the shed, he had been sent packing. But ever since he changed his attitude, the steam engines didn't really trust him, especially Boko and Bear. I hope Murdoch's mended soon, said Stanton. He moves a lot of freight cars than 5 diesels put together, agreed Oliver. Cars are no one's friends, said Emily. The next day, Old Stuck-Up arrived at the yard. When Top Hat sees how good I am, he said to the cars, he'll hopefully let me go over the island and hopefully send all the steam engines and all the good diesels packing. This is about what Old Stuck-Up's doing. Said Scruffy is not really going to turn out well, is it? Yeah, I agree, said the other car. As Old Stuck-Up began checking the cars and on the line, the cars started to sink. Is that all you can hold? Murdoch's souls are lost. Is that all you can hold? Murdoch must be stronger, they sang. Nope, not enough, said Old Stuck-Up. And he began to shut the rest of the cars into the same line he shut the other 3 cars. You know what? I'll push you all at the same time, he said. 4 cars at a time. Then Old Stuck-Up took 4 cars together. Then 8. Then 12. He even shut the spiteful caboose in behind. Soon, he had a long line of 16 freight cars. But little did Old Stuck-Up know was that the shunters set the brakes on the freight cars. The freight cars knew, but allowed Old Stuck-Up to pull out. What's Old Stuck-Up doing? said Edward. He thinks he's the world's mightiest engine, said James. Old Stuck-up found the car is hard to move. Hold, push, backwards, forwards. Oh, the car's grown. We can't, we won't. Heave ho, you can pull up, but we won't go, they sang. But Old Stuck-up hadn't been given up. Cars jerked forward. Oh, they screamed. We can't, we won't, they cried. Then there was trouble. Scruff and Whiff were pulling some cars full of garbage to take to the harbor. Then, all of a sudden, the coupling from Old Stuck-up and one of the boxcars snapped. And Old Stuck-up crashed into the hopper car and came off the rails. Ha! Said James. Old Stuck-up the garbage engine. Serves him right for being disrespectful to us steam engines. When Sir Topham Hatt came to see Old Stuck-up, he was not pleased. Since you have been, well, as I say, been trying to work hard, I have no choice but to give you another chance working here. But since the cars have been giving you a lot of bad luck in the yard, I have decided that you shall be helping out at the waste stop with Scruff and Whiff. Said Old Stuck-up, but his voice was muffled behind the garbage that was blocking his mouth. Then Murdoch arrived. Can you make up for lost time, Murdoch? Said Sir Topham Hatt. You bet, said Murdoch. And Murdoch backed up to his freight cars. And Murdoch pulled away as easy as pie. But the engines have learned a lesson. Maybe freight cars can teach you a thing or two sometimes, said Edward. Like getting rid of a sticky old diesel who is disrespectful to us steam engines, said James.